Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about a medicine Voxiquin 250 composed of a levofloxacin. 10 film coated tablets this pack contains. I will tell you about its uses, side effects, precautions, interactions, overdose and everything. But before telling this, I will request you to subscribe my channel so you can keep watching this kind of videos here. Now first of all come to its uses. Levofloxacin is used to treat a variety of bacterial infections. This medication belongs to a class of drugs known as quinolone antibiotics. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. This antibiotic treats only bacterial infections. It will not work for viral infections such as common cold or flu. Using an antibiotic when it is not needed can cause it to not work for future infections. Now come to further, I will tell you how to use levofloxacin oral. Read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist before you start taking levofloxacin and each time you get a refill. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually once daily with or without food. Drink plenty of fluids while taking this medication unless otherwise directed by your doctor. Take this medication at least 2 hours before or 2 hours after taking other products that may it work less well. Examples include Coinapril, or we can say Scralfate, vitamins, minerals including iron, zinc, and products that contain magnesium, aluminium, or calcium, such as antacids, and there are many more, among others. Ask your pharmacist about all the products you take. The dosage and length of treatment are based on your medical condition and response to treatment. In children, the dosage is also based on weight. It was its use. Now come to its side effects. We can say nausea, diarrhea, headache, dizziness, lightheadedness, or trouble sleeping may occur, and these are its side effects. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects, including unusual bruising, bleeding, signs of kidney problems such as change in the amount of urine, signs of liver problems such as vomiting that does not stop, loss of appetite, stomach, abdominal pain, yellowing eyes, skin, or dark urine. Now, going further, I will tell you its precautions. Before taking levofloxacin, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or to other quinolone antibiotics such as ciprofloxacin, moxifloxacin, ofloxacin, or if you have any other allergies. Now going further, I will tell you interactions. Drug interactions may change how your medication work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Overdose. If someone has overdosed and has serious symptoms such as passing out or troubling breathing, call 911. Hope you guys find this video informative. Share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.